So hello everyone, very good afternoon. So we have started our batch 3 of cabin crew and hospitality. So we have a batch of limited students which are around 7 to 8 and few of the students which are going to join tomorrow. So I would like to wish my students best of luck. We'll be giving our best and the students will be giving their best. So to achieve our goals, I just want your one promise. Can we work hard?
Yes, sir.
Can we?
Yes, sir.
So let's have a clap for ourselves and let's give our best, right? Chalo. Thank you. Bye.
सोचा कहाँ था ये